Inverse functions. Two functions f of x and g of x are called inverses if the following holds. When you do the composite with f of g of x, you get x as the result. If you do g of f of x, you also get x as the result. That's a great test to use to see if two functions are inverses of each other. And just a note, when you see this notation with the -1, that is not an exponent. That is the indication that you're looking at the inverse of x. And with inverses, the domain of f is equal to the range of f inverse and vice versa. Are these inverses? Well, f of x is 2 over x minus 5. G of x is 2 over x plus 5. We're going to do the composition both ways to see if we get x each time. So we're going to start with f of g of x. That means in function f where there's an x, I'm going to put the entire function g in that spot right there. And that's what this is. This is the entire function g. And then when I take -5 plus 5, that gives me 2 divided by 2 over x. When you're dividing by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So when I multiply by the reciprocal of x over 2, I get x as a result. So we ended up with x doing the composite that direction. Let's try the other direction, g of f of x. So g says 2 divided by x plus 5. So instead of an x right here, I put the entire function f in its place. And did the same thing with dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. And the 2's cross out, so you get x minus 5 plus 5, which is x. Since f of g of x equals x and g of f of x equals x, we could say that these two functions, f and g, are inverses of each other.